As you realized, on the link and place in this document, we could reference to the top of the page, headings, and bookmark. So let's define a bookmark. I select the text. Make sure you're in the Insert tab. Click on Bookmark and assign a name. Note that you cannot assign the name pure digits because in some cases it's getting conflict with some formats such as HTML, XML, etc. So always use alphabetic names too. I say B1 and add. If I go to bookmark again, you could add several bookmarks even for the same, which I don't recommend. You could sort them. You could use the hidden bookmark. You could delete that or even jump directly from here. But for now, it is fine. I'm going up and use, just as an example here, link, place in document, and now we have a bookmark. Select that, and just as a practice on target frame, I assign it the new window. OK and OK. Now if I hold in the Control or Command key and click on that, it will jump here. This bookmark don't have any similarity to hyperlink. It is the position ID to reference it to jump there. But why it didn't open on new window? Because it is not gonna work something like that on regular document. It is using for some other formats such as HTML files. It doesn't matter even if I go to the web layout and I use Control or Command and click there. Let me find here, Control and click. It still doesn't open new document. So it is not gonna supposed to work in Microsoft Word. Allow me to go back. I save this document, file and save as, or simply press F12 from your keyboard. I assign a name 057 underscore bookmark. And for save as type, I choose the HTML, which it is web page. Doesn't matter, you could also use HTML. Okay. And save. Now if I open my file, I opened my document with my browser. Now if I click on that, you see, it's opening a new tab. If you're using some old browsers or different browser, it might be open something like this with a new window. So I could click here to jump, but because I changed a new window for this link, it will open a new tab.